Hello students, welcome to our DTE practical session. Now we will perform practical number 4, that is verify De Morgan's theorem. In theory we have seen 2 De Morgan's theorem. The statement of De Morgan's theorem is complement of sum is equals to product of complement, and product of complement is equals to sum of products. The statement is given in equation format is also you can see on a screen, that is first theorem. It states that complement of sum is equals to product of complement. Now the construction diagram for first theorem is provided to you, that is you can see on screen. First gate is NOR gate, that means at the output of NOR gate we are getting complement of sum. So for that LHS side we have connected IC 7402 NOR IC. For that pin number 2 and pin number 3 are the two outputs, that is A and B, and pin number 1 is output. So in breadboard we have connected pin number 2 and 3 as a input and pin number 1 as a output. Now for RHS side, that means product of sum. For that purpose we have connected product of complement. For that purpose we have connected two NOT gates, because we want a complement of both the inputs separately, and then we are going to product that complements. So for input A, first NOT gate we will get A bar, that is complement of first input, which is given to pin number 1 of AND gate. Then second NOT gate is used to complement the second input, that is B. So 3 at the pin number 3 B is given, at 4 we will get B bar, and that complement of B is given to pin number 2 of AND gate. And finally the pin number 3 will give us the product of two complements, that is A bar and B bar at pin number 3. So this type of connection we have made on breadboard. So breadboard connection is also now we will explain. This is a 7402 NOR IC, that is LHS side, means A plus B whole bar. Here we'll see the connections for this. This is positive plus 5 volt is given to pin number 14, and pin number 7 this 14 pin is also connected to next RHS ICs. Means first we are showing the connection for plus 5 volt supply, that means 02 IC we have provided 02 IC supply to 7404 and 7402 IC. The blue wire shows you that plus 5 volt supply is continue, and it is given to 04 and 08 IC also. So plus 5 volt connection is done. Then likewise ground connection is also done, that is ground pin is connected to pin number 7 of 02 IC, and this ground connection is also connected to that white wire to 7404 as well as 7408 IC. So first we have shown the supply connection, that is plus 5 volt VCC and ground connection of all ICs, which is very essential for working of 3 ICs. Then First, now we will see the input connections. You can see the input section, means input section is provided to given simple single inputs to each IC. The switch shows you the condition of inputs. The press button or press switch is used to on and off, providing on and off inputs condition to the IC. So we have taken the inputs from input section, and these inputs, red wires shows you the input is given to IC 7402 pin number 2 and pin number 3. So from input section we have provided inputs to 7402 ICs pin number 2 and 3, and same input is given to NOT gate IC, that is 7404 pin number 1 and pin number 3. So you can you can see that pin number 2 and 3 means blue wire and white wire. Pin number 2 and 3 of 7402 is also connected to pin number 1 is connected, means blue wire is connected to pin number 1 of NOT gate IC, and white wire is connected to pin number 3 of 7404 IC. So same input is given to 7402 as well as 7404. Then output, we will see the output, that is red wire is output of 7402 IC, which is connected to first output section pin, that is our LHS, and the output of AND gate IC, that is pin number 3, is connected to next output of output section, that is our RHS. Now we will observe the output, means by pressing input conditions, and we will see the status of LHS and RHS according to our truth table. So you can see the output status of first theorem, that is LHS is A plus B whole bar and RHS is equal to A bar dot B bar. Now by observing the truth table, you can see that for first condition 0 0, LHS and RHS both are high, and then next all condition, next three condition, the LHS and RHS outputs are 0. Means for first condition we are only getting the output high, that is LHS and RHS high, and for rest of the condition the outputs, that is LHS and RHS are off. Now we will see, we will observe on this our board. Then see, will providing first condition, that is 0 0. So at the output you can see LHS and RHS, both the outputs are 1. We are not given any output, but our outputs are our outputs are 1 1. That is, we have proved our first condition, that is 0 for 0 0, LHS and RHS both are on. Then next we will apply second condition, that is first input is 0 and second input is 1. So for that combination the output is 0 0. So we have proved our second output for 0 1 condition, LHS and RHS both are 0. Now third condition, first input is 1 and second input is 0, means third condition 1 0. For that we are getting 0 0 output, means both the LEDs are in off position. Means we have proved third condition for 1 0 combination, LHS and RHS off position. Now we'll apply last condition, that is both the inputs are 1 1, so output is also 0. So like as shown in truth table, for 1 1 both the LEDs are in off position, means LHS and RHS is in off position. So by constructing this with the help of breadboard and 7404 IC, 7402 IC and 7408 IC, we have proved our first De Morgan's theorem, that is a plus b whole bar is equals to a bar dot b bar, means complement of sum is equals to product of complement. Thank you.